center, it will automatically be flowing into dummy profit center.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, in Hyderabad Profit Center, we assign a revenue account, sir, 3 lakh account. For Bangalore Cost Center, Profit Center, we have created another revenue account, sir, for that.
Yeah, we have to create. We have not created, no, we have only one profit center, right?
Yes, sir. For another, we have to create another cost
Yes.
element.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So version 0 from period, which period it is?
11.
11 period. 2 period, what it is? 11 period. Fiscal year is what? 2021. Company code NCLC. Profit center.
T, sir.
Company
T.
code is T. Okay. Hyderabad. What account numbers you want to do the planning? So here I want to take both revenue and expenditure. Na? So what I will take, revenue is 3 lakh. I want to plan like this, 3 lakh to expenditure what? 4 lakh. Is that clear? Yeah, no. So form based means systematically I want to do, not whatever I want to give. Okay, note down everybody, note down.
Certain which step is that, sir?
This is step number 10. Huh? We are doing step number
9, sir.
9. Yeah, 7 KE1. 7 KE1 we are.
Show me that screen, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat that step, sir, if you don't mind? I wasn't getting your voice clearly.
Yeah, you will not sort out your network problem, na? That's why you will not.
Already done, sir. My voice is clear now.
For others it is clear, na? My voice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For everybody it is clear. So what is the problem? You should understand. So slash n 7 KE1. Okay, 7 KE1. We are doing this. So here we are giving the version. What is the version? 0 version from period 11 to period 11. Correct. And then company code I will give TEE. Correct. Like this. Now account number. What is the account number? All revenue account, right?
Lakh, sir.
Yes. To which account number? 49. Okay, note down. Form based like this.
Sir, Saturday from 7 p.m. only. Yes.
Saturday, yeah, 7 o'clock. Yes.
7 to
7
8.
till 9.
Okay, 9. Okay.
Sir, here account numbers, both revenue and expenses account, sir. 3 lakh to 4 lakh.
Yes, we are planning for both na, in
Yes, sir,
profit
both,
center.
sir. Okay.
That's why.
So Saturday also controlling, sir.
Integration, yes.
Sir, we planned that
Okay.
for one period only.
Sir, Sunday, sir.
Sunday also same, almost 4 o'clock, 4 till 6:30 or so.
Sir, we planned that for only 11th period, sir.
If you want to do, we will generally plan for a period. Na?
Okay,
We
sir.
will always run the plan for a period.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, now click on the overview here. Now here, what is my plan? What is my plan? So my plan is something like this. Sales, I want to do 5 lakh. Correct. So now you tell me, now revenue. Revenue is debit item or credit item?
Credit.
Now credit, it is a plus symbol or minus symbol?
Minus.
Minus. So I will give 5 lakh minus. You understood?
Okay.
Now expenses, is it debit item or credit item?
Debit.
Debit positive symbol or negative symbol?
Positive.
Same way. So this is my revenue. I am planning like this. I will get 5 lakhs revenue. And rent, how much I will get? Rent, I will get
50,000.
rent. I will get rent. I will pay. I will spend. Correct. Rent. I will spend. How much rent I will spend? I will spend 50,000. So now this is plus or minus? Plus, no? Correct.
Plus.
Debit side. Wages, how much? Wages 1 lakh. So now insurance, how much? Another 40,000. Then what else is there? Other things I don't want to give because tomorrow I have to enter the actual data also for that. Yeah. So I'm keeping it simple. What else I want to include? Miscellaneous I want to include. Miscellaneous say 60,000. Okay. So total how much so far? 60, 40, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2.5 we have now. 2.5. So we have taken all the expenses. So I will post some more expenditure. Say it is okay. I want to keep it simple. So I will increase this 1 lakh 80. So this is 1 lakh 80, 2 lakh 80. So if I come back here, what is my total profit now? 1 lakh 70 is my planned profit. Right. So I am selling 5 lakhs. I want to sell, right? I want to, my sales, my target is my planned sales is how much? Planned sales is 5 lakhs. Planned expenditure is how much?
330.
330. Planned profit is how much?
1 lakh 7.
1.7.
Got it? Okay. Same.
Purchase is not there, sir.
Sorry?
Purchase.
Your voice is not clear.
Purchase is not there, sir.
Can you repeat? Sir?
What is not there?
Purchases is not there.
Purchases. See, all the things if you have time, you can do for all from 3 lakh to 499. All of them you can plan 1 rupee, 2 rupees also. And then you have to post tomorrow, no? Actual expenditures in FB50, wherever you are, you have to give. You understand? So this is just one example I am taking. Na? So if you want to take purchases also, you have to debit that account. Na? That's it, right? So you create a asset account and you debit that account, credit the bank account. Correct? Yeah. So all that can be done. So this is just an example. I want to tomorrow, whatever planning I am doing, na, same thing I have to post na, to compare. So if I give more, if I take more GL accounts into planning now, same thing it will apply for my actuals also. Is that clear? Yeah.
Sir, once you show the overview.
Okay. Go
Yes,
to
sir.
overview. Okay, no doubt. So I'm just trying to keep it simple. I have all the accounts. I will tomorrow when I have MM integration, I will get the stock accounts also here. Correct?
Okay,
So
sir.
in my asset side, I will get stock accounts also. Okay.
Sir, in revenue, if you forget minus, what happens?
What happens is wrong, na? So then how you will get this 1 lakh 70?
Yes, sir.
Will
In
not
case we
get, na?
forgot. Okay, sir.
Your planning is wrong, na?
Okay, sir.
Your planning is wrong.
Sir, expenses is minus, no, sir. Sales is revenue, right? So that should be plus and rest all.
This question is for everybody. Her question is expenses should be minus, income
No,
should
sir.
be plus.
No, sir.
It's a principle, sir.
See, now you
Expenses
tell
should be
me.
debit.
Now incomes.
Expenses are
Expenses are debited, right? You agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
When
sir.
they are debited, is it positive symbol or negative symbol?
positive.
Okay, that way. Okay, sir.
Correct? Yeah. So all my expenses, they are always debited, na, positive symbol.
Yes, sir.
So this
Okay.
income, what I am getting, it's a income, na, so credit minus.
Yeah.
Profit is credit, na, income, na, minus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, save.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like we are taking the form based. So in a real time situation, do we also opt for the free one, or is it only the form based?
Form is better. Form is better. You will get it systematic.
Even in the real time scenario,
is-
also we use this one only. So the form based.
Yeah. Okay. So that was the step number. What is it? We have created the. We have
9
created
steps,
the.
sir.
9.
Planning, right? We have done the plan. Okay. Now step number 10. Okay. No doubt. So what I have to do now? I have done the planning, right? Planning is also ready. So what is my plan? Let me take the. Okay. Let me. Okay. No problem. So what was my plan? It will show tomorrow. Don't worry. So now post actual revenue. Yeah.
Actual expenses.
And
And actual expenses.
actual expenses. Correct. So where I will do that?
FB50 can be 50.
FB50 or FB70, wherever, right? Wherever I am getting the revenue and expenditure. Okay. So first, let me post the revenues first. So I will go to FB70 now, correct? Slash n FB70. Sales I am posting. Okay. Right. So now tell me, my customer, my company code is my company code is what? TE, right? Yes. Okay. Who is my customer? My customer is
T8.
TE. Okay, this one. Now, this is the one, right? Now, amount is how much? Amount is how much? Sales. My planned sales is 5 lakh. Correct. Now,
5 lakh.
is it always possible to exactly implement the plan?
No,
sir.
No, sir.
Right. Correct. That is
3
the
lakhs.
difference. Yeah, that is the difference
7
between
lakhs.
plan and actual. But this time, what is I was more successful. Actually, I sold 5,50,000. Right? More possible.
Profit.
Yeah, this is not profit. This is sales.
Okay,
Okay, this is the 3 lakh account. So 3 lakh account will go to which profit center? Can you tell me?
Hyderabad profit.
You see, when I press enter here, you can see requires assignment to CO object. Okay. So why we are getting this? Have we not assigned, not saved or what? Let me check. OKB9. OKB9 position. What is your company code? TE, right? So here you see, I did not save it. So new entries. So right, I did not save it. So what should I give? Which cost element? 3 lakh cost element. Which profit center?
It's YDPC.
PC save. So now this mistake we have done, right? Probably I have not saved it. Okay, press enter. Now next again I am going there, right? Going to FB70. So now you see the difference. I am giving the customer, I am giving the date, I am giving the amount, I am giving the sales account, and then put star here. Okay. Now enter. So now enter. It accepted. Now here you see I will get the profit center automatically. That is the difference.
We don't have to enter.
It will come automatic because this is linked to profit center. Now what is that rule we call it?
Default account assignment.
Default account assignment. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, default account. So now click on the save option here. Save. Directly my revenue is getting posted to my profit center.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Good, everybody? Yeah, now.
Yes.
So revenue is already coming into my profit center. What about my expenditure?
FB50.
FB50. Correct. So go to FB50 now. Now in FB50, what is my company code? My company code is
E.
TE. Correct. So go to TE now, give the document date. Give the document date and give the account number like this. What is my account number? All the expenditures, now whatever I planned, 4 lakh I planned, 4 lakh 1 I planned, 4 lakh 2 I planned, correct? Then what else I planned? Rent, wages, insurance, miscellaneous, na? Only 4.
4 lakhs miscellaneous.
Only 4 I planned, right? Yeah. So only 4 I will post them. So my planned rent was how much? 50,000, na? Yeah, my planned rent was 50,000. My planned wages was 1,80,000. Okay, but I spent more, 2,10,000. My planned insurance was 40,000, right? So, but what happened was insurance I spent less, say 30,000. My miscellaneous I planned for 60, but I crossed it 75,000. Okay, so now 2 banks, only 4, na? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Only 4, right?
Rent, wages, insurance,
Yeah, so see, I wanted to keep it simple, so that's why I only give a 4. If I give 10 there, I should again give 10 here. Correct? Right? Just a matter of saving time. Okay, now press enter. So now you tell me. Now it will ask for the cost centers, na? Correct? Because all these are cost elements. Correct? Yes. So now here, what should I give?
Cost center.
Cost.
So that's why I'm giving different cost centers intentionally. Okay, different cost centers so that you understand how it will flow. Okay. So now I gave the cost centers, but system will automatically pick up my profits.
Profits.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So for all of them, it is picking same profit center. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Because all these cost centers, they belong to the same profit center. Clear? So now expenses is coming into my profit center or not?
Yes, sir.
Revenue is coming into my profit center?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us.
Sir, if the same we create the same F100, H100, and all, if the same are there in the Delhi or anything, then
No, it will not be there, na?
Cost center will be
Hyderabad
there.
is finance Hyderabad only. If it is in Delhi, then it is F300 or something.
okay.
It cannot be like that.
Separate department.
Same cost center cannot be in two profit centers. Not correct. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay. So we have the plan is also there. Actual is also there. Okay. So now we have to check the difference. Na report we have to see. Okay. Right. So now better write down post actual revenue. That is to avoid confusion. FB70. Write down like this. Then post actual expenses that is in FB50. Good. Next step number 12. Check what? Check variance, right? So check plan versus actual variance report for the profit center. Is that clear? Yeah. No. So go like this, S underscore ALR underscore, what is it? There is a
870.
8701. Yeah, 3326. Okay, no doubt. This is again end user report. Front side also you can see it, right? Same like our cost center.
Sir, expenses while posting in FP60 also, the cost center will be also.
Sorry?
Whenever we posting the postings in FP60, I mean vendor postings. At that time also we need to give the cost center.
That time in expenses when you are posting it,
we need to give the cost center there also.
Where?
Vendor postings.
Vendor expense, huh? Yes, you have to give, no? You are buying some material. For which department you are buying the material, correct?
Yes.
You have to give, yes. Okay, let us see now. Go like this, S underscore ALR underscore 8701 3326. Okay, enter. Now from period, so you see profit center group, plan, actual, variance. Now from period, what is the from period? 11. 2 period also.
11.
Now fiscal year, plan version is 0, profit center group, HYD PC, correct? So this is my profit center group or values. This is my, it's not a group, it is a profit center. Next, which accounts I want to do? 3 lakh to 490. No doubt, give like this.
Sir, can we have more plan versions, more than 1 or 2?
Yeah, you just have to change the number here, 0, 1, 2, like that. This is first version, na? You can have multiple versions.
Ma Manjirano sugar bell butter.
Okay, done. Now execute. Execute. Okay, so now let us see this report. Yeah, this report. You know what is this? This is the Hyderabad Profit Center report. Yeah, Hyderabad Profit Center report, Profit Center accounting for the 11th period. So now if I come down here, you can see this data. You see now, plan actual variance. Correct? Now let's see. Okay, so here if you observe here, this is the plan data, na? Plan data, right? What is my plan? Let me take it down. Plan actual variance. Variance is the difference, percentage. Correct. So what is my plan? My plan is this much, na? I planned like this. Correct. Now, so now here you see plan is how much? 5 lakhs is my actual, right? 5 lakhs is my, sorry, not actual, plan revenue. My rent 50,000, wages 1,80,000, insurance 140, miscellaneous is 60. Correct? Yeah. Yeah. So what it is? So now my actual is what now? This is 5 lakh. This is 5 lakh 50. Rent is same. Wages we paid 210. Okay. Insurance less. Miscellaneous higher. So total how much? 1,85,000 is the profit.
Sir, why revenue 5 lakhs came minus? I didn't get that. Can you tell me once?
This question is for everybody, right? Why we are giving minus?
Then we have given the negative value of the sales revenue.
More than
Because,
what we have.
see, the revenue is always income. Income is always credited. And whenever you credit, it is minus symbol. Na? Whenever you are writing in your accounts, normal accounts, right? If you go to FB03, anything that is debited is a positive symbol, na? Correct or not?
Yeah.
Anything that is credited is minus symbol, right? You know that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same thing here. Because revenue is income, na? So it is minus. Expenditure is positive. The expense is positive, na? Debited.
Okay. Debit
Right?
always positive, credit minus. Okay.
Correct. So income is profit is income, na? So minus.
Okay.
This is also income, na? Profit. So minus. Clear? Yeah.
Okay.
So now
So, but variance percentage 9 is showing plus percentage.
So something that is positive will get positive percentage. If it is more, it will get a negative percentage. You understand? See, 1,70,000 it should be there, right? 1,85,000 is there, right? Correct now? You see? So it is more than what we planned. So we are getting 9%. Here it is 5 lakh minus 5 lakh. We got more, so 10%. But here we got, here you see, we planned for 40, but we spent less, so it is minus.
Okay.
Correct? Right.
Sir, when we used accounts receivable and accounts payable also, this rule applied, sir? I mean, I am not able to remember it.
What rule?
The debit is all sales has become minus.
Oh, you might not have noticed.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you, sir. That did it happen at that time also?
Yes.
Let me show you. This is expense account, na? Expense,
Okay,
na?
sir.
Yes.
Got it.
What has happened? Positive or minus?
Positive. Okay, sir.
Positive.
Yeah, debit is always positive.
Positive.
The vendor account credited, minus. Same way, if you talk about incomes, what is the income account document number 18? Na? Okay, here you see. Customer is debited. Yeah, sales account is credited. So minus.
Okay.
Revenue.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So that is a very good indication. You don't have to look at the posting key also. If you something is a debit means what? Yeah, plus means what? It is debited. Simple logic. Less means what? It is debited. Minus means what? It is credited. Simple logic. Okay. So now, so where are we? So we executed our report. Is it working properly? Variance. This is absolute variance. Absolute means difference of this and this. Plan minus actual is the variance. Okay. Sorry, actual minus plan. Reverse. Actual minus plan is the variance option. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we get percentage variance.
Percentage, you will get the variance by plan into 100. So how much you deviated from your plan? That is the variance. So you planned for something, how much you deviated? So this 50,000 by plan, 50,000 by plan into 100. Is that clear? So 30,000 by 1,80,000 into 100. 15,000 by 60,000 into 100. Is that clear? So variance by plan into 100. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now let's go. So that was about the profit center accounting. We have created the profit center. We took the data of the revenues, expenses into profit center. We planned for the profit center and we are able to generate the reports for the profit center also. Then we can do the comparison. This is only one profit center. Same way you can do for all the profit centers. Clear? Okay, good. So now next topic.
Sir, we can plan many times of this.
Yeah, plan you can do many times. But actual you will have only one. Correct? We discussed this now before also. Correct now? This one. So here which plan version you are taking, that version you will give here. For that it will compare. Okay. Now
We can do per month only once.
what you can do only once.
In this planning, sir.
Yeah. So you,
No,
Every period make only one plan only.
did I tell you that? Really? Did I tell you like that?
No, sir.
Every time I change.
Only one plan did I say anytime? Only one plan you can.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right? Many plans you can. That is why you have the versions. Okay. Yeah. So now from front side also you can go like this. Go to accounting. Yeah, information systems. I believe. Let me go here. Yeah. Okay. Let me go to controlling. Profit center accounting. Information systems. Reports for profit center. Correct. Interactive reporting, line item reporting. Yeah, you see plan versus actual profit center group. It is profit center comparison. The same report you will get here. You see? So 3326. Okay, so you can compare one profit center to another profit center here. Okay, see, this is another report. Profit center versus profit center comparison. Yes. Plan versus actual. Where do we have?
Sir, if you want to compare more than two profit centers.
More than two, sorry, we don't have. If you are asking, then get it developed. Okay, here we are comparing only one. So if you want to compare another one, then again create separate. Okay, two. See, when you are comparing, you usually compare two things, na? Three things you don't compare, right? Generally. If you have a requirement, then.
For example, we have the 4 or 5 profit centers. So we need to want to see all the reports at a time, all the profit
You understand? See, the screen has a limitation. Na? Your screen is how many inches it is? 20 inches. Now you are saying all I want to see in one screen, how you can see? You cannot. Correct or not? Yeah.
Yes.
That is why. See, I want to see all the documents. I posted 1,000 documents. All the documents I want to see in one screen. How you can see? You cannot. Correct. So whatever is the general level, whatever is possible in one screen, reasonably visible with a font size, only that is possible. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay. So like this, you will get the reports. Okay. So actual postings. Document. Yeah, it is the same as our report. You see, 3326. Correct. Plan actual. So you can do it for a group also. You can do it for individual profit center also. You can. Okay. Now. Right. So that was about the profit center. Pretty much done. So next topic that we have is the important topic. That is the integration. Yeah. Integration. Now, what is integration? Integration, now, is it a CO topic or FI topic? What do you think?
Both.
CO plus
It's
FI.
combination.
Both.
Both. Okay, how do you know it is both?
Research and Google.
So it is integration means it's between CO, FI, CO,
The name and
MM, CO.
And all
SD.
modules here club.
It's all modules.
Integration. You
No.
have given the hint, you have given a
Yeah.
hint, sir, that all the modules will be covered in integration.
So
So
then
we
why
are
you
following that hint.
are saying it is FI or CO?
No, I told it's for both, sir, because you have given the hint that it will cover all the modules.
Correct, correct. But when it is covering all the modules, how it will come in FI or CO?
So it's connection between other models.
Our module linked to other modules, so
Yeah.
we need to learn about
We are going the business well, sir. Then only.
The integration means integration is not FI, not CO. Correct? First, we need to understand that. Integration is not under a module. FI is one module, CO is another module. Correct now? Now, integration means what? Connecting the modules. So it is between here, this connection, correct? This connection what I have, that is integration. So this connection what I have, is it under FI? No. Is it under CO? No. So integration means connecting two modules. So if you are connecting FI and CO, then it is FI CO integration. If you are connecting FI and MM, then it is
FIMM.
So this is what do you call this connection? FI
Integrate.
MM integration.
MM integrate.
Now is it coming under FI? No. Is it coming under MM? No.
No.
It is connecting FI and MM. So how many integrations are there? Many are. So depend on which integration you are talking. You may be talking about FI SD integration, FI PP integration, FI HR integration, FI. So many modules are there, right? Correct. So integration is the connection between the two modules.
Connection between one module with two or more modules, right?
Yeah. So at a time you talk about only one module, na? You connect. You cannot. You will not talk about connecting two people, na? Two things at a time. So first you connect to one thing. Next you talk about connecting to other one. Correct. Yeah. Is it clear?
Sir, FI and CO also integration, sir. Then
FI
and CO no.
Of course, na. You don't know that it is integration, but you have already completed one integration. You understand?
Sir, no.
Already
Yes,
you completed one integration. You don't know that you have done it.
Control
Already
is another module, right?
correct. FI is one module,
Yeah.
CO is another module. Na? Are we able to connect them?
Yeah, cost.
Yes, edit
Are
cost
we,
element.
are we able to connect them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We
Right?
connected.
So they are working together.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So integration is
Sir,
working properly.
Sir, can you
Integration is
please
working
give me one
properly?
general example?
No, let me complete. Integration, is it working properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Right. So Fi and CO, we have, so that is integration. You are connecting, you have connected Fi with CO. Correct? Integration. Same way now you want, so now Fi is easy to connect because they are made for each other. Na? So they are literally, CO is dependent on Fi for the information. So we have connected them and they will work together. But now we are going to CO is also our subject, na? Finance related. So it is easy, we understand. But now we are crossing the boundaries. So we are going to connect with MM module. Okay, so next topic that I am going to talk about is the which integration I am going to talk about? MM integration. Okay, so when I talk about FIM integration, you should understand that I am connecting our FI module with MM module. Correct? Yeah.
Sir, why, sir? Why you need?
Let me tell you. Yeah, we are going to discuss that only, na? Just wait for a few minutes. So now FIMM integration. Okay, now here what it is. See, integrations. So whenever anybody talks about integration, first question you have to ask is which integration. So now integration is not a topic that is coming under one module. No, it is nothing but connecting two modules. Now there could be some other integration between MM and SD also. You understand? So this connection we have nothing to do, right? Correct?
Yes.
Same way there can be PP and MM integration. You see? There can be PP and SD integration. Correct? Correct or not? You understood the concept of integration, no?
Yes, sir.
So where we are not there, but still integration is there, yes. You understood? So all the modules, they are connected to one another. That is how you have to understand. And there the business is running. Correct? So all the modules, they are connected to one another. That is okay. So now we need to know why. So what are the main important connections we have, right? What are the main connections to FI? So the main connections to FI is one is FIMM and FISD, FIPP. Three main important connections. Why three main important connections is, see, understand, for any company, purchases of raw materials is required. Yeah, any company. Yeah, raw material or services you have to purchase, na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then you have the manufacturing or something like that. Correct? So that is production. So purchasing of the raw material or purchasing of the services, that is the purchaser side, right? MM involved. Same way we have the manufacturing, so production involved. Then same way we are manufacturing the finished good. Now we are selling. Na? Correct? So
Yes.
that is the SD, sales and distribution. Correct. So these are the three main pillars on which our company is running. So can I have a company without sales? No.
No.
Understand, right? Yeah. So that is why we are talking about integrating our finance with these are the main things, main important things where through which the organization works. So my next question would be why we are connecting our FI with MM. Okay, why? Now FI with CO, why we have connected?
Analyzing and
Control
the profit.
Control the cost.
Correct. So now to understand why we are connecting with MM, first we need to know what is MM. What is MM?
Material
management. So what is materials management? Materials means what?
Raw material.
Raw
Material.
Yeah, stock, na? Inventory. These are the names, na? Inventory, raw materials. These are the names for it, right? So these people, what they are doing? Management. Materials management. Management of material. FI means what? Financial management. Money management, correct? Finance. FI is financial management. Now we call it Now, here MM means materials management. So as the name says, what they are managing? What they are managing? Materials. Materials means what? Stock, inventory, raw materials, everything. Correct. So they will take care of the purchasing of the, what they will take care? Purchasing
Raw material.
purchasing
material.
of materials, correct? Then what? Storage, correct? That is the safety, security, without damage, correct? Storage of the material and issue of the material, correct or not? Now production people, they want material, they have to give or not?
Yes.
Yes. So these are the main jobs of MM people, right? They look after the material. We look after the money, they look after the material. Correct or not? Yeah. So now, suppose they are now MM people, they are doing the purchasing. Okay, let us talk about this. Okay, purchasing. Now they are purchasing from different suppliers. Correct? No? They are different suppliers are there. From different suppliers, they are purchasing the raw material. Correct. So now, whatever purchases they are doing, now tell me, who will do the payment to their suppliers?
FI people.
FI department. Right. So understand, MM side, on MM side, purchasing is going on. Correct? Purchasing is done. But payments for the purchases, payments for those purchases is done by FI side. You understand? So the purchasing, so different suppliers, different material, different amounts, different prices, they are purchasing from the suppliers. But those suppliers, who will do the payment? Finance will do the payment. Now, how will finance know which supplier, what amount we have to pay? Correct or not? Correct. Now, finance does not have a sixth sense. Now, what is happening in MM? How do they know? Correct. Now, finance is not doing the purchases. No? Agree?
Yes.
Finance is not doing. Who is doing the purchases?
MM.
No. But who is making the payment?
FI.
MM people do not have the power. Sorry, no money power. Money power is in finance. They only have material power, no money power. Correct. So whatever purchases you are doing, we will do the payment, right? So they have to tell us now. Correct.
Yes.
So MM people, they have to pass on that information to finance. Correct. Based on that only, finance will do the payments. Correct or not? So we need to connect with MM now.
Yes.
Agreed? So without talking to MM, whatever bills are coming, we will blindly pay in finance. Pay.
No, sir.
Definitely. Correct. So definitely we are waiting for the information from MM. So we need the data flow from MM to FI. Then only we can do the payments. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a connection between FI and MM or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? That's why FMM integration is required. Right? And further, there are many things. Many things means, now understand. So this is one part of it, right? This is a higher level. But generally what happens is, suppose you see, let us talk about the accounts level. Okay, let us talk about accounts level. So now in finance, we are talking about, in finance, we have the GL account, correct? Yeah. Which GL account you have? You have the raw material GL account, correct? Now same way in MM, what we have in MM side, you will have the stock. You will have the on MM side, you will have the material. Any material, some material you will have, correct? Now, right, so that raw material stock will be there. Stock means quantity, right? So now here we are talking about, in the raw material account, you have the value. Value means rupees, like this, 10,000 rupees. So in the stock, they will have the same. We have the quantity here. So how much? Say 100 tires. You understand? So here we have the GL account. Here we have a material like tire. Right. So here we are talking about GL account. That is the quantity we have here. Right. So understand? So both are talking about same material. But here we are talking in rupees in value. Here they are talking about quantity. Right. Suppose one tire is 100 rupees. Correct. So now here I have 100 tires. So how much it is? 100 into 100. So I got 10,000. Correct. How I got this 10,000 in my raw material account? Here I have 100 rupees into at the rate of 100 tires. You got the point now?
Yes, sir.
So now people, they are talking about the quantity, how many quantities, how many tires, which material. People will talk about which material, how much quantity. Now finance people will talk about how much is the value. We are not bothered about quantity. We are more bothered about the value. What is the value of it? Correct or not? Rupees, money.
Yes.
Now both are talking about 100 tires only, but we are talking about the value. They are talking about the quantity. You understand the difference?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so the point here is, suppose just understand there is a very good close association between FI and MM. What does it mean? Suppose we purchase, now just understand, suppose we purchased, so MM people purchased here. Okay, now tell me. So MM people, they are doing the purchase now. They purchased how much? They purchased another 50 tires at the rate of rupees 100. So now tell me how much quantity they have now?
150.
150 only.
How much they have?
150.
Correct. So now you tell me my GL account, how much value you should have now?
15,000.
Correct, na? So did I tell you to do that? You did it automatically, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. So now same way, one more example. They have issued say 20 tires to production, right? Manufacturing they have given. So now you tell me how much quantity we have here? 130 tires. Correct. So now what should happen to my finance value now in the GL account?
13,000.
Correct. So what do you understand now? If there is any change on MM, our FI should be updated. Correct or not?
Yes.
The stock is changing here on the MM side. So this change is happening in the stock, right? It is happening on the MM side, quantity. But my GL account is in finance. It should be updated or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. So here in SAP, in other ERPs, this will be happening manually. This updation of the GL account will happen manually. Manual means after issuing, after purchasing, this stores clerk will inform the accountant, and accountant will post one entry. Then it will update. Now after issuing the stock to production, again the stores clerk will tell the accountant. Then he will post. You understand? So goods delivery note, goods issue note, like that, that information should come from MM people to FI people. Then only it is updated. Is it clear? Now, if there is any problem here, now just understand this stores clerk is a lazy guy, right? He has not updated the finance people. Then what will happen? My stock is something else. My accounts is showing something else. You understand? See, usually this stores department is somewhere else. Now, my godown will be 5 kilometers away.
Yes.
My godown, my finance office, my nice AC office is in the main street. My godown will be at the back somewhere. Correct or not? So there is a change in the stock. It should be updated in my finance records. But usually what will happen? If there is some delay, if someone is not informing, or the stores clerk informed but accountant is slow. So what will happen? There is a chance of difference between the finance and stock. Correct. So what is the stock is there? My finance is not saying same thing. Correct. So then what will happen? It will create many problems. What problem? Suppose tomorrow there is a fire in the godown. Now you do not know what is the value of it because they are not matching. You understand? Correct. You will be at loss. Correct. So you have a requirement to match this now. So whatever is in my godown, the same should be there in my GL account or not?
Yes.
Yes, no? So you have a requirement to update your GL account as per the changes in the stock in MM. Correct. Again, I am repeating. You have a requirement to update your finance GL account as per the changes in the stock in the MM. Correct. You agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is a purchase, add. Whenever there is a issue, deduct. Whenever there is anything happening, update. Correct. Yeah, which should happen, right? Yeah. So now in SAP, what will happen is, so when you do, the good thing about FIMM integration is, so what is the good thing about FIMM integration is, when you do the FIMM integration, FI will be automatically updated for any changes in stock. That is the advantage of FIMM integration. So whenever any change is happening on the stock in the MM side, FI accounting entries, automated entries will be posted and FI will be automatically updated at the same time on real-time basis. You understand? You understand the point here? As and when this guy issues 20 tires, system understand. Okay, this guy issued 20 tires now. Okay, let me update this. You understood?
Sir, we have updated in manually, sir.
Sorry?
In MM to FI, we have to update in manually.
Before, not in other ERPs, they will update manually. In SAP, it updates automatically.
Okay, sir. Just now I
Just
said
like
it is updated
reconciliation.
manually.
Yes. Yeah.
You said now, sir, the subjects can be done in manually.
No.
Before
I don't know
when
what. So I have clearly said, in other ERPs, it will be updated manually. In
Okay,
SAP, it is happening automatically.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we will stop here for today. Tomorrow I will continue with the same.
Sir, notepad, please.
Okay. Right? Okay, then thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow.